easy technical SEOs actions that actually works. The technical things means how your website is crawlable, how much your website is crawlable and indexable by the Google crawlers. Any page that you want to rank, you should give it more internal coverage. Internal coverage means you should have build some interlinks to the other pages. For that you need to find more topical opportunities to add relevant interlinkings. So always make sure to work in a silo or topical wise. Don't create random topics and don't make them orphan pages. Orphan pages means the page is part of your website, but like it's having no links to coming to that page from the other pages. Silo means you are creating the pages which are structured, which are like interlinked to each other in a strategically manner, right? If you do this, the single strategy to implement the interlinks, if you do this, believe me, like you like check the everything you did. If you did it perfectly, you can see the results in your webmaster in after like 1 week or 2 week.